Hello students, today we will discuss about your book exercise question number 4 of chapter number 1, computer systems. So in the question number 4, fill in the blanks are there. You will have to fill this when you have already studied how to convert decimal number system into binary number systems. So we will start here. Let us discuss a a part of question number 4. Convert 79, which is in decimal number system, to binary number system. Okay, so we will start here. 79, when we will divide it by 2, 2 3 ja 7, 19, 2 9 ja 18, then what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 1. So remainder has been written here. Now next, when we divide 39 by 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 1 shifts here, then 19, 2 9 ja 18. What will be there? After that, one remainder will be there. Okay. So when we divide 19 by 2, what will happen? 2 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18, but here it is 19, therefore 1 should be remainder. 1 will be remainder. Now when we proceed more, 2 4 ja 8, it will go 4 times, then 2 4 ja 8, and then here 1 will be remainder, because 2 4 ja 8 and here it is 1 more than 8, so remainder will be 1. Now again, when we divide 4 by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, it means it goes completely, therefore there will be no remainder. Here we will fill 0. Now 2 1 ja 2, complete 1, then here what will be the remainder? No remainder. Now how to write this? The answer will be written like starting from here, bottom to top. So how will we write? Our first digit will be 1, here 1, next digit will be 0, so 0, next digit will be again 0, this is 0, next digits 1 1 1 1, 4 times 1, 1 1 1 1. This is the binary equivalent of 79, right? Clear? 1 1 1, here you will start from here, 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is the binary equivalent of 79. Now in the next question, B part of question number 4. Let us start. Question number B says convert 103, which is in decimal number system, to binary number. So let us start. We will divide 103 by 2, then 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2. Then what is remainder? Remainder will be 1. So remainder will be written here. Now next, 2 2 ja 4, right? And 1 will be shifted here. 1 will be shifted here. This will be 11. Then 2 5 ja 10. Here. Then this will be, what will be the remainder? 1, because it is 51, and 225 here, so it will be equivalent to 50. So here 2 2 ja 4, 1 shift here, then 11, 2 5 ja 10, and therefore 1 will be remainder, which will be written here. So in this bracket 25 will be written. Now When we will divide 25 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, goes completely. Now 5, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, but 1 is left, therefore 1 will be the remainder, right? Again, when we divide 12, 2 6 ja 12, it goes completely. Then what will happen? It goes completely, it means nothing is left, therefore remainder will be 0, right? Is it clear? Now when 6 is divided by 2, 2 3 ja 6, again it goes completely, therefore 0 will be remainder. Again 2 1 ja 2, but here 1 is left, therefore 1 will be remainder. Then what is the next process? We will start from bottom to top. Then 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. It means 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. It means 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. This is the binary equivalent of 103, 103. Clear? You will do this in your book. Now next thing. Here opposite thing. It means convert 101101 which is in binary number to decimal number system. This is question number. This is C part of question number 4. So let us start. How will you write? First of all, you will write all the numbers. Then you will write it in columnar form, right? And what is the next step? You will multiply all the numbers with 2, and here what is this? The last number is 1, so we'll write here 1. Then what is the next step? You will multiply all the numbers by 2, then you will put the powers here starting from 0 on 2's, then 0 1 2, and here again here will be 2. Yes, 0 1 2, what will be here? The power will be 3, right? Or will be 3. This is 3. Clear? Now next, here 4, then here what will be the power? Here the power will be 5. Clear? Now next, then we multiply this. If any number has the power 0, its value will be 1. Then 1 into 1, the value will be 1. When any number is multiplied by 0, what will be the answer? The answer will be 0. So here the answer will be 0. The next, 2 2 ja 4, right? 2 is multiplied 2 times, then 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. 4 into 1, that is equal to 4, right? 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. And here 2 raised to the power 3, it means 2 into 2 into 2, yani 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. When 8 is multiplied by 1, then what will be the answer? 8. Clear? Now next thing. 2 raised to the power 4. This has been multiplied by 0. When any number is multiplied by 0, what will be the answer? Certainly the answer will be 0. So 0 is there. Now 2 raised to the power 5. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. What will be there? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. Right? Clear? Which has been written here 32. Then what will we do in the last? We will add all the answers. Then what will be happen? Here 1 4 5 32 8 40 45 45. Clear? Look at this. 1 4 5 8 2. Clear? 14558 58 30 13 to 15 5 1 carry, then 314. Clear? This is decimal equivalent of this number, right? Now here, next one is question number, next part is D part of question number 4. Here, convert 110 which is in binary number system to decimal number system, and this has been done by using double bevel method. So let us start. In double bevel method, what will we do? We multiply each number starting from left to right, and the answer is added by 1. To the answer we add 1, but in the last we don't add 1. We don't multiply after adding 1. So let us start. We have already discussed about double bevel method. So let us do this. Here, first digit is 1. So we have written here and then multiplied by 2. Then what is the answer? 2 1 ja 2. Clear? What will the next step? In the next step we will add next number. And what is the next number? Here 0. 1. So we have added next number. This is 1. Then what will be the answer? 3. After adding next number, again we will multiply by 2. Then the answer will be multiplied by 2. 3 2 ja 6. Is it okay? 3 2 ja 6. Clear? When we have multiplied by 2, the answer is 6. Again we will add to this the next number. What is the next number? Next number is 0. So in the answer 6, 0 will be added. So what is the number? 6. After adding next number, what is the next process? Next process, to the answer multiply to the answer. When the answer is 6, multiply it by 2. The next step, the answer has been multiplied by 2. The answer is 12. When we have multiplied 6 by 2, answer comes 12. Then what is the next process? In the next process, we will add the next number. What is the next number? Next number is 1. So here to the 12, 1 is added. What is the number? What is the answer? Answer is 13. What is the next process? When we have added next number, the answer is multiplied by 2. So here 13 will be multiplied by 2, and what will be the answer? 13 2 ja 26, right? Here 13 2 ja 26. Clear? What is the next step? When we have multiplied the answer by 2, the answer comes, then to the answer next number is added. So here what is the next number? Next number is 1. So here 1 has been added. 26 plus 1, that is equal to 27. What is the next step? Again this answer will be multiplied by 2. So here 27 is multiplied by 2. The answer is 24. But what is the next step? In the next step, the next number is added. What is the next number? This is 0. So here to the 54, 0 will be added. And here, what will be the answer? When 0 will be added to 54, what will be the answer? The answer will be certainly 54. There is no change in the answer. But in the last step, we don't multiply by 2, right? So this will be our answer, right? So the decimal equivalent of 110110 is 54. Is it okay? So you will do it in your book. Fill this properly. Is it okay? And in the next video we will cover your fifth question. We will cover your fifth question, that is convert the following numbers into binary. These all have been given in decimal number. In the next video we will discuss about this, right?